Today I'm going to explain you this cell. Okay, in previous video we learned the cell organelles. We learned the names of the cell organelles such as nucleus, mitochondrion, ribosomes, centrioles, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body. The outermost layer is called cell plasma. Inside the cell you can find a jelly fluid-like structure called cytoplasm. Okay, now in this video let us learn each function of the cell organelle. Okay, first of all let's start with mitochondrion. Okay, mitochondrion. Now, this mitochondrion has two membranes. It has two membranes. One is outer membrane. One is outer membrane. And the second one is inner membrane. Okay, outer membrane and inner membrane. In inner membrane you can find fingers-type folded structures, or this rod-shaped structures in it. And this mitochondrion is called as powerhouse of the cell because the mitochondrion provides power to the cell. Okay, mitochondrion provides power to the cell. So the mitochondrion is called as horsepower of the cell. Okay, what is powerhouse of the cell? And this is about mitochondrion. Now let's go for the next one. Next cell organelle. Does endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum. Present near the nucleus. This endoplasmic reticulum. This will mean that in short, endoplasmic reticulum is called as ER, mean by endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum has RER, mean by rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER, mean by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is rough ER and smooth ER? These are the ribosomes present in the endoplasmic reticulum. And this is the endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes, and here the ribosomes are present and here the ribosomes are absent. Okay, now we'll see here. This is called as smooth ER, mean by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is rough ER, mean by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, if ribosomes attaches to the endoplasmic reticulum, it's called as rough ER. The endoplasmic reticulum becomes rough. Okay, the ribosomes arises from the nucleus and attaches to the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Thus, the endoplasmic reticulum becomes rough. Okay, very rough. This endoplasmic reticulum is called as rough ER. When the ribosomes do not attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, these are called as smooth ER. Okay, if the ribosomes do not attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, it becomes smooth, so it's called as smooth ER. Understood? When the ribosomes attaches to the endoplasmic reticulum, it becomes soft, so it's called as rough ER. I mean by RER. If the ribosomes do not attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, it's called as SER. Mean by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Understood? Okay, now let's go for next one. Oh, here you can find Golgi body. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus here. These are called cisternae. Okay, these are called cisternae. This is about Golgi apparatus. Okay, now let's go for next one. Thus of ribosomes. Ribosomes. A tiny granule. A tiny granule. In ribosomes, ribosomes synthesize proteins. Okay, ribosomes helps in synthesizing proteins. May occur free in endoplasmic reticulum or else in cytoplasm. It may attach to the endoplasmic reticulum or else it may roam here and there in the cytoplasm. This is about ribosome. Ribosome. Okay, ribosome. Now let's go for next one. This is centrioles. A very tiny granule you can find near the nucleus. Near the nucleus. You can find near the nucleus, present near the nucleus. Centrioles. Okay, now let's see the nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus is a boss of the cell. Nucleus is a boss of the cell, just as our school principal. Our school principal controls everything in the school, just as this cell also, this nucleus also controls everything in the cell. Okay, the nucleus is called as the boss of the cell. Inside the nucleus, you can find a nucleolus, and the outermost layer of the nucleus is called as nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Okay, nuclear membrane. And here you can find inside the nuclear membrane you have jelly fluid-like structures, just as you can find in you can find in cell. Jelly-like structures is called cytoplasm, just as in the nucleus you can find a jelly-like structure called as nucleoplasma. Nucleoplasma. And here inside the nucleoplasma you can find chromatin and nucleoli. Inside the nucleoplasma you can find chromatin and nucleoli. Okay, now this is about the nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus, the outermost covering layer or else protecting layer is called as nuclear membrane. Inside the nuclear membrane, you can find your nuclear plasma. Inside the nuclear plasma, you can find chromatin and nucleoli. By the division of the cell, this chromatin rises to the chromosomes. Now, inside the nucleus, you can find nucleolus. Now, next you can find the completed. Let's see, cytoplasm. Cytoplasma. Cytoplasm. Now, this cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid substance. Cytoplasm consists of many important structures such as nucleus, nucleolus, mitochondrium, lysosome, centrioles, and endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and ribosomes. Okay, cytoplasma takes place. Cytoplasma consists of many important teeny structures in it. And cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid substance. Now let's go for next one. Let's learn about lysosome. Lysosome is a very interesting topic. Listen carefully. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum degrade proteins, nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and transports through transport vesicles. Wait for a minute, let me draw. Golgi body. Golgi body. Foreign bodies ingest into our body. Okay, here. See here. Listen carefully. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum degrade proteins, nutrients, carbohydrates, and transports through transport vesicles. Transports through transport vesicles through Golgi body. Through transports the transport vesicles to Golgi body, and the Golgi apparatus arises lysosomes. The Golgi apparatus arises lysosomes. Here the lysosomes arises here, and the lysosome fuses with the bacteria. Mean by foreign bodies. The foreign bodies ingest into our body. Those are called, and when the foreign bodies ingest into our body, the lysosome fuses with the foreign bodies. The lysosome fuses with the foreign bodies. Thus, inside the lysosomes, there are some enzymes present in the lysosome. The enzymes kills the bacteria, and the lysosome also will die by eating the bacteria. So, by eating this harmful bacteria, so the lysosome is called as suicidal. Suicidal bags. Okay, now here the lysosome also fuses with the old organelles such as mitochondrion. And the new organelle is formed. This is the function of lysosome. This is all about the cell of animal cell and the Tilden